Let's address earnings, and we have earnings from Dhanuka Agritech. In fact, we also have the management, Mr. K Dhanuka, the chairman at Dhanuka Agritech, who's joining us on the show to take us through the earnings for the quarter gone by. Now, I'm looking at the earnings right now, and what we're seeing is about a 10% growth on a year-on-year basis for revenue. Its margins have seen an up move of about 160 odd basis points to around 16.95, and net profit has risen 22% year-on-year. So it does seem like it's a healthy quarter for Dhanuka Agritech. Double-digit revenue growth, 20% net profit growth. Let's get in the conversation going with Mr. K Dhanuka. Sir, welcome to the show and thanks for joining in. If you just talk about the 10% growth in your top line, how much is this contributed by volumes, and what sort of a function has pricing played in terms of your top line growth, sir?
Actually, this 10.4% growth in top line is in revenue, and the overall growth in the volumes are around 12%.
So if you're looking at about a 12% volumes growth, pricing activity, I reckon in that case has been a tad bit subdued for this particular quarter, sir. Is it safe to assume that?
Yeah, because of the low demand and the excess supply from China, the prices have come down in this quarter.
Right, sir. So I do want to talk about the handful of acquisitions that you made as well, but just to stick to the quarter, at this point in time, considering the way things are panning out for China, do you think that there could be further pressure in terms of pricing? And is lower pricing a reason why we've seen slightly higher volumes as well?
Yeah, you are absolutely right. But now I think the prices has come to the bottom level. So I don't foresee any further reduction in the prices. Rather, some of the molecule prices have gone up in the in the month of January because the Kharif season is coming very soon, and the companies start gearing up for the season and creating inventory for the Kharif season. So now the demand has started, and the prices of some of the molecules like cypermethrin, chloropyrifos, mancozeb, cartap hydrochloride, they have increased.
Okay, so then in that case, let me talk about your acquisition in triadimenol. So can you give me an idea on the rationale behind buying this particular brand name, as well as the kind of market share it currently enjoys, and what kind of contribution can it bring to Dhanuka Agritech?
You see, we have acquired two products, triadimenol and aqua valicarb. So these are the two molecules we have acquired from Bayer, Germany, and we have got brand rights for the first molecule, iprovalicarb, and the second is the triadimenol. That is, brand name has not been acquired, but the product has been acquired. So overall, we will get access to 20 countries where Bayer is marketing these molecules. So that way, since Dhanuka was not in export till now, so we will have the opportunity to export these molecules, and simultaneously some of our other molecules like bifenthrin technical, which we are manufacturing at our Dahej plant, that we will also be able to export to these countries.
So on a final question then, so what can we expect from FY26 with the kind of plans that the company has? Can we expect growth to sustain at the double-digit level, and can margins see further improvement?
Yeah, you see, monsoon plays an important role in our industry growth. And if the monsoon is good, then definitely Dhanuka can achieve around 14-15% growth in next financial year.
Okay, Mr. Dhanuka, we leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us and taking us through the numbers as well as the outlook. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.